Hello everyone, myself Kashish Talwani, your business studies teacher. I am here with this second revision of chapter number 6 of your book, that is Social Responsibility and Business Ethics. If you are looking for the first part of the revision, you can get this in the description box below. And if you are looking for the links of previous videos of the same chapter to revise the chapter, you can get them together with the link of the revision part. So let's go ahead with this session as quickly as possible. So in this session, we are going to study few more case studies of this chapter along with certain OTQs. Let's read question number 1 on your screen. There is a group discussion between two commerce students on the topic social responsibility of business. The opinion of one student is socially responsible towards the society, while the opinion of other student is that main objective of the business is to earn profit, so business should not follow the concept of social responsibilities. Give your opinion by giving two arguments in favor and against social responsibility. So in this question we saw there are two different people having two different opinions. One is concentrating on only making profits in the business, and other is concentrating on making profit along with complying with certain social responsibilities also. So here in this question we have to give arguments in favor of social responsibility and arguments against social responsibility. So I hope these topics are already covered when we completed the chapter. So let's go ahead to another question. Let me just show you the whole thing. Give me a second. Okay, now you can see this. Okay, let's read question number 2. Atul is the owner of ready-made garments factory. His main motive is maximizing the profits. For this, he has given misleading advertisements and is supplying low quality products. He is also not behaving as a good citizen of the society and is violating the well accepted norms of the society. He is also not providing adequate salaries and reasonable working conditions to his employees. As the result, his efficient employees started leaving and have joined his competitors. Identify the groups whom he is not performing his responsibility by quoting the line. So when it is written quoting the lines, that means you always have to copy the same lines from the question into the answer and write what is asked in the question. So here we have been told to write down which stakeholders, which groups this organization or this person is not fulfilling his responsibilities towards. So we have to copy the lines through which we got that answer. So this is the line: misleading advertisements and is supplying low quality goods. Through this line we understood that this is a responsibility towards consumers. So first group is this. Second is he is not providing adequate salaries and reasonable working conditions to his employees. So through this we got to know that this is the responsibility towards workers. Next is he is not behaving as a good citizen of the society and is violating values of the society. So this is the responsibility he is violating towards community and government. So this is what is meant by quoting the lines, copying the same lines from the question and then writing the relevant answers. Now let's see question number 3 also. Super Stationers Limited is successfully running his business of manufacturing notebooks for school and college children. It is producing goods and services that society wants to sell them at profit. It performs its responsibility to operate within the laws of the country. It is respecting the religious sentiments and dignity of the people while advertising. It earned a huge profit in the financial year 2019 and 20. It has provided charitable contributions to the people affected by earthquake. So in this paragraph, what we have to do is, let's see. The above para explains various kinds of social responsibilities of business. Name them by quoting the lines from the above paragraph. So again, we have to do the same thing. We have to quote the lines. Let's find out the answer without seeing the answer. What is this? Sells them at profit. So once a person is selling goods at profit, he is complying with economic responsibilities. He is operating within the laws of the country. That means it is legal responsibility. He is taking care of all the religious sentiments and dignity of people. So he is behaving as per the society expects. So this is ethical. And again, he is providing certain kind of charities. So this is discretionary. So see, this is how we have to write down the answers when quoting the lines is written in the question. Now you can see the answer. Let's see question number 4 now. Lakshya Limited is an IT company having many shareholders. In reality, the financial position of the company is weak. But in a meeting with shareholder, it presented a very good picture of the financial affairs of the company to attract more of them. Is the company showing a socially desirable behavior? Absolutely no. Why? Because this is not something, it is not presenting its real picture, which is a must for all the shareholders to know. Social responsibility towards which group is ignored? So we have already mentioned this. Shareholders. Right to values ignored by the company. So here business ethics are ignored. This is one thing which every business must follow, and honesty is ignored. One more question. Let's see question number 5. Sumit, a wholesaler selling rice, stopped the supply of his product in order to raise the demand and then supplied rice at higher prices. Is he showing socially desirable behavior? No, this is absolute exploitation of people. Social responsibility towards which group is ignored? So here this is all about consumers. Two values, again same kind of things. So this is what we can write: responsibility of the business and business ethics. Now we will do certain MCQs. These are also a very integral part of your examinations. Let's read question number 1. Many telecom companies slashed their ISO rates substantially after earthquake hit the areas of Gujarat. It is an example of fulfilling which kind of responsibility? So these are the things which every company is doing as per their own will. So this is discretionary. Statutory warning given on the pack of the cigarette can be categorized as, so this is something which is absolutely compulsory by law. So this is legal responsibility. The business enterprise offering scholarship to the students in the locality who have scored 90% and above in the higher secondary examination. So this is discretionary because this is as per the will of an organization. Let's see question number 4. Number of business organizations donated to Chief Minister's Disaster Fund to rebuild the flood affected area. Which kind of social responsibility of business is being referred here? So again, this is discretionary. Which among the following alternatives is not a case of unethical element? Although business ethics is not in our syllabus, but let's see this. This looks like a very easy question. Adulteration, child labor, pay taxes honestly, dumping waste into water. So all these things are wrong. Only this is right. I'm so sorry for this, error in A, B, C, D. Which of the following is not a social responsibility of business towards investors? To ensure proper dividend, To ensure, this is one responsibility. To ensure safety of capital, this is also one responsibility. To give appropriate salary, I think this is the answer. To ensure proper utilization of capital. The other three are all responsibilities of business towards investors. Which of the following is not a social responsibility of business towards consumers? They are saying not. When not is written, always underline it prior. To make the goods, make available good quality products at cheap rates, this is one responsibility. To bring out reality in advertisement, this is also one responsibility. To give them a share of profit, no, yeah, this is the right answer. Giving consumers a share of profit is not a responsibility of business towards its consumers. Let's see question number 8. Dash is a primary social responsibility to produce goods and services that society and giving them at a reasonable profit. So which responsibility is this? This is economic responsibility. It includes the behavior of the firm expected by the society but not mandatory by law. So out of these, this is ethical responsibility. Dash is purely voluntary obligation. So one which is purely voluntary, that means as per the will of the organization. This is discretionary. These are the last set of questions. Providing charitable contribution to educational institution is an example of which of the following social responsibility? So this is discretionary. Which of the following factor has forced business to assume social responsibility? I think this is something which we have covered in one very broad topic in the chapter. What are all the factors because of which an organization always assumes this social responsibility? Pressure of labor movement, yes, this was one point. Threat of public regulation, yes, this was one point. Impact of consumer consciousness, this was also one point. So ultimately answer is all of the above. Now see last question. Complete the series based on the hint given below. Charging reasonable price for goods and service, this is an economic responsibility. Pay taxes honestly, so this is responsibility. So children, this is the end of this revision session. I hope this content has been useful and productive to all of you. If it has really been good to all of you, you should like this video and share it with all your friends. I hope you all had good time watching my video. Thank you very much. Have a very good day ahead.